What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today it's Monday, day after Easter, and we have a lot of things to do today. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what we're about to do right now, and after that, when I head to the shop, I'm gonna show y'all what I got this weekend. I didn't record. It was kind of like a last minute thing in a hurry, but hopefully y'all liked it, and y'all let me know what y'all think. Alright guys, so I ended up grabbing this 3-piece window for the single cab. I got it cheap for like $120. I got it on Facebook, and that's a real good deal. And I'm about to go throw that on with my girl. Just waiting on my girl to come out so we can head out. But I don't think I'm gonna be putting anything else on the single cab, guys. Maybe just the sunroof. Yeah, guys, maybe just the sunroof, and that's gonna probably be it for the single cab for now. I'm gonna go ahead and get that Trailblazer running this week for sure, because I've been stalling on it. But I'm gonna go ahead and head out right now, guys, and I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so we ended up going to the glass place, and man, the glass, it don't fit. It's not for this year truck. The guy says probably like for a Dodge or something like that. But I'm not gonna worry about it right now. I'm gonna see if I can make it work on something else. And you know, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But in this case, I lost. Ain't no biggie, you know. God is still good, and we're gonna keep on looking for another 3-piece window, and we're gonna see if we can do the sunroof as well on the single cab, and that's gonna probably be it for the single cab for now. But I'm gonna keep you updated right now as soon as I get to the shop and see what I can do with the window. And don't forget, guys, y'all stay tuned, because I have something I'm gonna show y'all. Hopefully I like it, because I like it. I'm kind of in love with it right now, but it needs some work. But y'all stay tuned. All right, guys. So I ended up finding out the window, it's not the right one. All right, guys. So been at the shop all day, and I got some shit done. Not that much. I had that window on my mind. Trying to make it work. I don't know, somehow, some way. But I'm gonna show you what I got done on the Trailblazer, and what's left. And I'm gonna show y'all what I was gonna show y'all since earlier, but got caught up working on the Blazer. But hopefully I like it. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think about the Blazer. I know I'm taking a little good while, but it's getting there. Y'all don't forget I'm doing this by myself, and you know, help here and there. So yeah, guys. But let me go ahead and show y'all where I'm at, where I stand at right now, and hopefully I like it. All right, guys. So everything's already back on. Dash, door panels. I think the cluster got power as well already. Yeah, it got a little bit of power. and the radio should work. Yeah, it works. Everything's already connected. I was hoping to get the first crank today, but ended up breaking the intake gasket. This one I ended up breaking these. It's supposed to be a hole like this, but got frustrated a little bit, so ended up breaking it. No biggie. I'm gonna get one tomorrow, but that's where I'm at right now, guys. Just need those gaskets. Put the intake back on. I'm pretty sure it's gonna crank. I still gotta do the security cycle thing, but that's no biggie. That's about 30 minutes. Ain't nothing too long. I already got the starter in, the fuel lines in. I got pretty much everything ready. Yeah, guys, I pretty much got everything ready. Started up. Just gotta do the cross member and the exhaust. But the cross member, I'm gonna work on it tomorrow. I still need the dry shaft. I still haven't really messed with the dry shaft, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Probably gonna be this week, guys. Most likely this week. Get to finish it. But if anything, we're gonna sell it. If we don't finish it this week, guys, we're gonna sell this shit. Tired of it. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what we picked up this weekend. Actually, yesterday, I bought it in Alvin. We drove it probably like an hour. We got it here. It drove fine. It needs work, guys, but it was real cheap, real cheap. So I was like, told my girl, fuck it, let's go get it. And I was lucky enough that the guy actually responded back to me, because I found it on Facebook Market, and there's a bunch of comments already. And I showed my girl. My girl was like, man, babe, there's a bunch of comments. I doubt that he still has it, but he ended up hitting me up, and he still had it. And we took the drive out there, and we ended up scooping it up. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. It's nothing new. So there she is. It's a 99 5.3 3-door Chevy Silverado. It needs some work, guys, like I was saying, but it was real cheap. It came with a little system. It's actually missing this whole door panel. The window regulator, I think it messed up on it. You can see if the line's busted. Yeah, the line's busted on it, guys. So I'm gonna get a door panel. I'm gonna get a window regulator. The other window works fine. The truck is a clean title, and it was real cheap. Real cheap, guys. I'm not planning on doing much to it. Just probably a little drop, fix the little problems it has, and I'm gonna end up selling this one, guys. This is pretty much just a flipper. Got it for a good price. Parts ain't too expensive, so we're gonna end up, trying to make some money out of it, and keep going from there. She's a little rough on the bed back here, but for the price that I got it for, guys, it was real good. I was like, nah, I can't let it go. Can't pass on it. I haven't done nothing. Haven't cleaned it. Haven't done anything to it. So, but she runs good. She runs real good, actually. But there she is. When I seen the front end, I was like, man, there's no way I could pass on it. It's real straight. It's aligned right. Yeah, guys. So y'all let me know what y'all think about this extended cab. I don't know. I don't know if y'all want to see a build on it, or do y'all want to see it all stock? Y'all let me know what y'all want to see. But first, we gotta finish the trailblazer, hopefully this week, and I want to get it out. Pretty much go do some runs or do something in it. It's been parked for a good while now. It's been missing in action for a good while. So I'm trying to get there and get it going again. But that's pretty much gonna be it for this video, guys. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this extended cab. Let me know what y'all think about the trailblazer. And I'm gonna keep the videos coming. I wanna give a little shout out to everybody that's been commenting, subscribing, and sharing my videos. I really appreciate that. And some people are asking me if I could blog a day, one of my days or whatever. And I've been thinking about it, but walking around with cameras and doing stuff and this and that, it's a lot. But I'm gonna try it probably tomorrow. If I go to the junkyard or anything like that, I'll blog my day, see how it goes. Yeah, let me know if y'all want to see that. Yeah, let me know what y'all want to see pretty much. But I'm going to end this video right here. Y'all don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'm going to catch you on the next one.